Chronicles of Natural Hair. I know you can relate. Day 3 or 4 of the hairstyle, it's unraveled, but day 1 we were thriving. I forgot to put the head wrap on for a few nights and the moisture said goodbye, but no need to panic or redo. I reach for the hydrating mist with aloe vera gel to bring back the moisture. Then go in with the Nourishing Pomade for hold, for shine, and for softness. We don't need tighter hairstyles to make them last. With the right products and tools, we refresh, restore, and carry on. So enjoy your little one's natural, healthy hair care journey with love and care with Mabu.